Hi, hello guys. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're the first time here, please do this favor like and subscribe and comment me below to know that you going to learn more much about Warrior Plus. Here I'm going to show you how Warrior Plus is exactly making money with it free without investing any money. Here, this Warrior Plus is just being like ClickBank promote or digital store 24/7. So I'm going to show you how every exactly was working, how to promote your Warrior Plus product. So as you can see, when last everything I did, it has been record all the times, and I'm here to show you how every exactly this I am making this screenshot to show you guys that you can learn much and you can start make your money from Warrior Plus as free. Warrior Plus, you can create it anywhere you are all over the world, because I was anywhere you can use Warrior Plus, but ClickBank it was banned from some of countries. And here learn more about Warrior Plus, how to promote your Warrior Plus. So watch this very carefully and learn more. As you can see, what next? You can use the link promote through YouTube, through Google, through Facebook, through WhatsApp, through Instagram, through Twitter, through any other website that being followers, any other website that being created people use for worldwide, that you can promote your product through it. So I'm here to show you that I'm going to use first time. Let me use YouTube to promote my product. As you can see, here is the person link that he was posted. You know that how many viewers, if person click on that link, you will finally earn a money, earn $1. That must be according to the link that you want to promote. If the link it was the highest, you will earn a lot of money, and if the link it was the lowest for that product, you will earn a lowest money. So as you can see, it's still let me look forward. So it's still easy for this traffic about, here this way that I'm showing you to promote your Warrior Plus link is a free website here. But if you want to use money to promote your Warrior Plus link, it been easy. Search for Google Promoter, that is Google Advertiser. So to show you all this secret is very easy, and it is for you. One of technologies. Use your more knowledge to learn more about it. It's all about you to learn much more. As you see all the secret, let's back to Warrior Plus again, and its officer. So this the title, keyword, vector title, and these are the products you need to promote through Lee. all here, these are the product. For this product, truly if you promote, even someone click on that link through it and try to register, you will be earn money. So if not get this, as you see, product name, price, commission. So this price is the amount that you got to earn, and commission that the amount that it will be in your wallet. So it will and it is very easy. Use your more knowledge to get access on it. If this is still hard for you, comment me below and I'm gonna teach you more to learn more about it, because it been in a hard way for some people and it be soft ways for some people. So you need to study all these, learn more about it, and you need to watch this very carefully. View sell in page, insurgency. So for this way, because this is the secret truly, and you must be use your more knowledge to promote. You know that if you try to promote, if you have a group, WhatsApp group or Facebook group, or why I say to YouTube, if you have a many, is forget about if it is your channel or it is not your channel. If it is other someone channel, according to his view, you get posted your link below beside us his description to get the true approve of your link, to get click on your link. That is all what you need to know about. As you see, we are searching online earning. Look at this video was ranking. So this video, if you go to this week earning, so also this video was ranking. You see, this video was ranking, very high ranking. You see how many views this video gets. 64,000 with 292 view, 200 like plus other dislike, share, and many more. So this video, through this video, and it uploaded, and this video it uploaded this week to 1 week, and it get much with by searching, and not any other link below. Time for you to post your link, and the link that you want to post, it is about the video making money online. Okay, thank you guys. Please for this favor, like and subscribe to this my channel here for more about my next video.